Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide I will show you how to fix Rust game not launching, not opening, won't start, showing black screen or other error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option, then click on exit. After that click on the Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. Once it is done, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing an example. Right click on it, click on properties. Now here you have to click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. You have to wait for some time unless the install files are verified. Once done, try to launch the game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next method is to update graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for a device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and then check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link I have already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now under general, here you have to type -tx11 and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, again come back, type -tx12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If not, you are suggested to type this command and then check if this resolves the problem, or there is another launch option that you can try. But if everything fails, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Next method is to set process affinity for the game. So what you have to do is, first you have to launch the game. After that you have to press Ctrl plus Shift and escape keys to open task manager. So you can also search for here and go to the task manager. After that, go to the details tab and here you have to search for the game, that is Rust. Once you search for it, select it, and after that here you have to right click on it and click on set affinity, and after that here you have to make sure to tick mark on all of these and click on OK. Now after you have done this, after you click on OK, now try to launch the game and then check if the game is opening or not. If not, next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now here click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you have done this, launch the game and then check. Next solution is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, again go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under processes tab, here you have to search for those apps which are of no use but still running in the background. So you have to simply select it. After that, right click on it, click on end a task. Once done, wait for some time and again launch the game and check if it resolves the issue. If not, next method is to run game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. So this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here is the game application, select it, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4 and select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If the issue continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution or others, then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues, as it plays a vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly. Here I have shown you the settings of the game, so you can easily set up all the settings that is given here, and after that try to launch the game and check if this helps to resolve the problem. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that I have already provided this link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. Now after you get setup successful message, close this and then restart your PC once, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings and click on advanced, click on change. Here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Click on set and then click on OK. After that, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to disable antivirus software. So if you are having any antivirus software installed on your system, then you are suggested to disable it, because this can somewhere impact the game and can stop you from playing it. So if you have antivirus software installed, kindly disable it and then try to launch the game. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and it will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to play it. Next solution is to run the game as dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search and now search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed. Add the game application to the list. After that, click on the arrow icon and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and then check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the Rust game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC and again launch Steam and reinstall Rust game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's opening now or the issue is resolved or not.